A total solar eclipse is one of the strangest sights in the sky. The bright sun suddenly disappears behind the moon, turning day into twilight. But something unexpected happens at the same moment. A glowing white halo suddenly appears around the dark circle of the moon. This halo looks like a crown of light spreading out into space. It flickers with long rays and delicate streams. If the moon completely blocks the sun, where does this glowing light come from? Why does the sun still seem to shine around the edges? The answer lies in a hidden part of the sun called the corona. The corona is the sun's outer atmosphere. Normally, we can't see the corona at all. The sun's surface is so bright that it completely overwhelms this faint outer glow. The visible surface of the sun is called the photosphere. It shines millions of times brighter than the corona around it. During a solar eclipse, the moon moves directly between Earth and the sun. It blocks the photosphere like a giant natural shield. When the blinding surface light disappears, the faint corona suddenly becomes visible. The glowing halo is this hidden atmosphere of the sun. The corona is made of extremely hot gas called plasma. This plasma is heated to millions of degrees. At such high temperatures, the plasma emits light and energy. That faint light spreads outward far beyond the sun itself. The sun's powerful magnetic fields shape this plasma. They pull the glowing material into long loops, streamers, and rays. These structures stretch millions of kilometers into space. During an eclipse, they appear as the delicate glowing halo around the sun. The shape of the corona can even change over time. It grows and shifts as the sun's magnetic activity changes. Scientists study this glowing halo very carefully. Solar eclipses give researchers a rare chance to observe the corona directly. By examining the corona, scientists learn how energy moves through the sun's atmosphere. This helps explain powerful events like solar flares and solar storms. These solar storms can sometimes reach Earth. They can affect satellites, power grids, and communication systems. So the beautiful halo seen during an eclipse isn't just a visual spectacle. It's a window into the sun's mysterious outer atmosphere. For a few minutes during totality, the moon reveals something normally hidden by intense sunlight. It allows us to see the vast atmosphere surrounding our star. What looks like a glowing crown in the sky is actually a giant ocean of superheated plasma, and it stretches millions of kilometers into space. A solar eclipse briefly turns the moon into nature's perfect solar filter. Without it, the sun's corona would remain invisible to our eyes. That's why when the sun goes dark during an eclipse, it suddenly grows a brilliant halo. We are finally seeing the sun's hidden atmosphere. Next time you see an eclipse image, look closely at that glowing crown. You're looking at one of the hottest and most mysterious regions of our star.